Yep.
What kind of drink?
Diet Coke.
I could be your order.
That's it.
Any apple pie today?
No thanks.
Okay, try one.
Thanks.
Alright guys, Popeyes food review. So yeah, what do you rate it 0 to 8 years?
Very good.
Alright, pretty good out of 50. Mine, I'll be eating right now. Live on film. I got a biscuit with a chicken sandwich. Let's try the biscuit.
I have your mashed potatoes.
I don't know.
They have gravy on it.
They're still mine.
Ah, they didn't like sauce.
They're still mine. Biscuit's alright.
It's
pretty good. It's not as good as Chick-fil-A's or Bojangles, but it's pretty good. Now let's try the mashed potatoes.
Please don't like them. Please don't like them.
Sounds pretty good.
Crap.
Alright, see if I like these.
I think it makes you.
Oh, stuff all over it. Yeah, I'll figure that out later. All their hands now. Mashed potatoes are pretty good. Get out!
Wait, that sounded very
I don't think I'm gonna finish those, but those are pretty good. Alright. Pretty good.
the gravy.
Gravy was pretty good. It tastes pretty nice.
Max definitely wants to throw off the gravy because he doesn't like sauce.
It's pretty good. It's a little watery. I'm not really too sure. It's alright. It's pretty good. You know. It's alright. It's good. Let's clean up. Alright, now let's try a chicken sandwich. Oh yeah, look at that. And some breading on the side. Breading's okay. Let's try a sandwich.
Mosh pit gravy. Mosh pit gravy. Mosh pit gravy. Mosh pit gravy.
Yeah, I give this about, I don't know, Popeyes is probably a good, like, 5 out of 10 for me. It's honestly, I'd say a 4 out of 10. It's really mediocre. Chick-fil-A is better. Yeah.
Bro, why did I spawn with the HVT?
But yeah, let me know what you guys think about Popeyes. And I will see you guys in the next video.
Why did I freaking spawn with the HVT? Yeah, baby freaking knocks, man. I hope you die a horrible death.
I'm playing Fortnite when you get off, when you're done.